Did you know that Python programming is one of the most in-demand programming skills across the globe, and that its demand increases each year? Did you know that Python programmers make more income than their peers? Did you know that Python is one of the easiest programming languages for beginners to learn? Now that you understand why learning Python could change your life, keep watching to learn more. This Python programming course bundle is designed to make a Python programming expert out of anyone, from beginning programmers to experienced programmers who want to learn Python. This course bundle is the most complete training you'll find anywhere online. If you're interested in using the Python language to get a job, advance your career, or start your own company, you've just found your golden ticket. What will you learn in this course? You'll start by learning the basics of the Python programming language from a beginner's perspective, which will give you a solid understanding of Python that you can apply the many programming areas in which Python is used. You'll learn Python programming for the web, where you'll be introduced to basic web development techniques and Python frameworks such as Flask and Django. You will also learn to develop games with Python by making your very own Flappy Bird clone. As if that weren't enough, you'll receive in-depth training in the high-demand field of using Python for working with big data. You'll learn data analysis, data scraping, data structures, and data visualization with Python, which will prepare you for a career in the exploding field of big data. If you've ever wanted a career in programming, learning Python is a great choice. Python is extremely versatile and can do anything from data analysis and game development to controlling robots. Programmers who know the power of Python can now equip themselves with the power to earn promotions or move to better jobs. Entrepreneurs who want to make their ideas come to life can do it with Python. Don't wait another minute to fulfill your dreams with the help of Python. Enroll today